What up, Mini family? This coming April, a few content creators and myself will be trying out something new. For the entire month of April, we'll make videos featuring smaller brands in an event called Other Games April. The videos don't need to show off exclusively games, but can also feature minis, tools, and more. The intent of this platform-wide collaboration is to show off smaller companies and the awesome things they're doing. If you're a content creator and would like to be involved, there's a standing open invitation. I have a playlist in the description of this video that'll be used as a way to collect all the videos published for this event if you're a viewer and you want to find them. Additionally, you notice a little hashtag OGA on each video for Other Games April as well. For my channel, I have a video planned painting a beautiful display model from Neko Galaxy, a boutique display model manufacturer that focuses on a cyberpunk aesthetic and more. I'll also make a video about the games that I'm most excited to dig into that I discovered at Adepticon. I hope you guys enjoy Other Games April and all the awesome things that small companies have to offer the hobby, but most importantly, don't forget to